ready to give your Cinc platform a fresh look. First, log into your Cinc account using your username and password. Once you're in, navigate to the Configuration or Settings section. This is usually found in the main navigation menu or a sidebar, and may be represented by a gear icon. Inside the Settings area, look for an option labeled Branding, Company Profile, or something similar that refers to your brand's visual identity. This is where you'll manage your company information. Within the Branding section, you'll be looking for the Logo Upload option. You should see the currently displayed logo, as well as a button that allows you to change it. You generally want to ensure your new logo is correctly sized. Click the Upload or Choose File button. A window will pop up, allowing you to browse your computer files. Select the new logo image file. Generally, the system will accept standard image formats like JPG, PNG, or GIF. After selecting the image, click to Upload Image. Once the upload is complete, you will likely see a preview of your new logo. Finally, save the changes you've made. Look for a Save or Update button within the Branding or Settings area. After you save, your Cinc platform will refresh with your new logo. Congratulations, your Cinc platform has a new look. This ensures brand consistency throughout your Cinc experience. Your new logo is live.